how to create 360 panoramic image in Blender. So in this tutorial, we will apply in scene called Scene 34. This is one of my Arch Viz collection scenes. You can find the link in the description down below. So the first step we need to do is to add a camera in our scene. So we need to go to this viewport here and go to the top view and go to the wireframe mode here. And we need to add a camera. So Shift A, camera, and place the camera in the middle. So we need to go also in the rotation values here and rotate it in the 90 degree here and rotate it in the Z axis also in the 90 degree. So we need to go to the camera to see what we have. So we need to lift it up the camera by 1 meter height. So the next step is to go to the output resolution, and to have a 360 panoramic image you need to make your resolution rectangular. So we will use 2000 pixel here by 1000 pixel here. So if you want to increase the resolution, you can increase it by multiplying this value by 3 or 2, and the same thing in the bottom here. The next step is to go to the cycles render engine settings, and we can go to the render here and choose this final presets, or you can decrease the maximum samples to 512. This is the minimum value. Also, you can increase it if you have a powerful GPU. You can increase it to 4096. So the next step is to select our camera. Make sure that the camera is selected, and we need to go to the camera properties here like this, and in the lens tab here we need to change the type from perspective to panoramic, and in the panorama type we need to change it from fisheye to equi-rectangular. So if we click in the render view and we see our camera and our 360 image, we see that we have this panoramic render. So what we need to do now is to click render and wait for the render to finish, and see you when the render finish. So now our render is finished. So what we need to do is to save our image to JPEG. So make sure that you save it to JPEG. So Shift Alt S and save it and name it whatever you want. So select JPEG format and make the quality 100% and name it scene or whatever you want, like this. So the next step is to go to the browser. So I need to show you the browser. As you see here, we have this website called 360 Photo Converter. You can search it in Google and enter this website. So what we need to do now is to select our photo from the folder where we started, and we call it scene. So I need to select it and open it, and I need to change the resolution to 2000 here. So, and convert it and wait for conversion. And now we need to download our photo and save it in the folder. So now like this, you can use this 360 image and you can share it in Facebook, because Facebook is compatible with 360 panoramic image. This website called Panoramic, you can share it here and click essay and load your image and upload your image here. You can select it from there and click scene and usage personal and wait for the image to be uploaded to Panoramic. So now our image is uploaded. You can see it and navigate it. Also, if you want to share it, you can click in this direct link. You can copy the direct link like this and share it, paste it and go and share it wherever you want. So this is everything in this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, hit subscribe, like, and let a comment. I invite you to visit my description down below. See you in the next video. Salam.